we have division, decimal numbers. How we do this? First, we have to check our divisor. Divisor cannot be decimal number. So we have here 1.3. So it means we have to move decimal point to the right one digit. Whatever we did with our divisor, we have to do the same with our dividend. So we move decimal point one digit. So now we can rewrite our two numbers. We have 13 and 207, decimal point 72. And now when our divisor is whole number, we can do long division. How we do this? We have to check how many times 13 goes to 2, 0. So we take next digit, we have 20. How many times 13 goes to 20? 1. So solution we have to write on the top, exactly in the same column, which is 0. And now we have to do multiplication. We have to use the same rule which we use for whole numbers. We divide decimal numbers the same like whole numbers. So 1 times 13 is 13. Now we have to do subtraction. We need to borrow 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. And we have now 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. We don't have to write. What next? We have to take down next digit. So we have 77. How many times 13 goes to 77? 5 times. So on the top we have to write answer. And now we have to do multiplication. 5 times 13 is 65. And again subtraction. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. What next? We have to take down next digit. And we have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column. So we have after 5 decimal point. And we have to take down 7. And now we have 127 divided by 13. 127 divided by 13. 9. We have to write 9 on the top. And now we have to do multiplication. 9 times 13 is 117. And again we have to do subtraction. 7 minus 7 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. We don't have to write. Next we have to again take down next digit. So it will be 2. So now we have 102 divided by 13. So it will be 7. 7 times 13 is 91. Subtraction again. So we have 2 minus 1 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. What next? Because we have to round our solution to the nearest tenth. We have to round our solution to the nearest tenth, th. So we have to have 2 digits after decimal point. When we have to round to nearest tenth, the first digit after decimal point is tenth, and we need 1 more digit to know how to round. So we don't have to do any more long division. Our solution is 15 decimal point 97, and next we have to round our number. First we have to underline tenth because we round to nearest tenth. So this is first digits after decimal point is tenth, and we check the digits after our underlined digits is 7. When we have number 5 or greater than 5 after our underlined digits, what we have to do? We need to add 1 to our underlined digits. What next? Every digit after our underlying digit, we have to change to 0. So 7 will change to 0. And now we have to do addition. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have to write 0 and 1 we add to next column. What else? Everything, whatever we have before our underlying digits, we have to copy exactly in the same place. So decimal point we take down. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 1 we have. So what we got? We got 16. This is my solution.